Hi students, my name is Ms. Reshma Bulani here. And today I am going to start with a chapter called as compound interest. I am sure about it that you must be aware of this chapter, but I assure you that after this lecture it will become more simplified to you. Now let's see, and I am also sure about it that you have done this chapter in 8th standard, but not compound interest but simple interest. Today let's see what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. I'll be explaining you to the difference between simple interest and compound interest with the help of the example. What is simple interest? It is an interest which is calculated on the original money irrespective of length of period for which it is borrowed. And what is compound interest? It is said to be lent at compound interest when the interest that has become due at the end of a certain period is not paid to the money lender, but it is added to the sum lent, and this amount becomes the principal for the next year. I am sure about it, you must not have understood it clearly with this language, but I will explain it to you with the help of the example. Now before that, let me let you know the terms. What are we going to use in this compound interest today? First, the terms to be used is principal, that is sum, money borrowed. The rate, it is interest paid on rupees 100 for a specified period. Time, say for 2 years, 3 years, etc. Simple interest, it is interest calculated on the original money for any given time and rate. Now let's start with example. For example, the amount borrowed, sorry, not the amount borrowed, it's the principal, right? Let the principal borrowed be rupees 100. Let the rate of interest be 10%. Let the time be 3 years. Now what is simple interest? Simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. What is the principal we have taken here? 100. The rate of interest is 10%. The time is 3 years upon 100. So the simple interest is rupees 30. The amount is principal plus interest. Principal is 100 and the amount is interest is 30. So the total amount comes to 130.